So I recently had a question from someone that wanted to know, how often do I change my exercise routine? So let's talk about that. When you train over time, you actually decrease the gains or the results, because what happens if you do the same workout over and over and over, your body will adapt to it and then it stops adapting. So there's a thing called muscle confusion, okay? And that's basically the idea of changing your workouts to keep your body in a constant confusion. So you keep stimulating the body in a way to cause the body to react and adapt, so you can actually keep growing and improving muscle mass or fitness, okay? Because training in general, doing some type of workout over time decreases your results if you keep doing the same thing, okay? Now, on the flip side, if you change your routine too frequently and you don't let your body fully adapt, your gains will also be limited because you're not reaching the maximum potential of that workout. So here's what I'm going to recommend. You want to do the same workout for the week. Now, you may have working different muscles through the week. So you maybe work out 3 times a week and you have 3 different types of workouts. That's fine. Do the same thing for 3 to 4 weeks until your body actually adapts to this and it actually gets used to it. Then change it, okay? Instead of changing it and rotating every single week. Because we want to create a stress in the body, which then creates the hormonal shifts, which cause your body to repair and recover. And then we want to give it enough time. So based on the average person, 3 to 4 weeks are good. Now, of course, if you're more fit, you can change it more frequently. And if you're not fit, you might want to go even longer. All right, thanks for watching. So we've been getting a lot of success stories, but I don't have your success story yet. So click the link down below and upload your before and after. I want to actually hear about your success story. I want to see your before and afters. And every week we do featured success stories. So click the link down below and share your success.